In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your day in Asana using My Tasks. We'll start right inside Asana by heading to My Tasks. This is your personal command center showing everything assigned to you in one place. Open Asana, and from the sidebar, select My Tasks. You'll see your tasks organized in a simple list or board view, depending on your preference. Think of this as your daily dashboard, where you can decide what needs attention now and what can wait. Next, narrow your focus to what's due today. Use the filter option at the top of My Tasks to select tasks due today. This strips away the noise and helps you concentrate on immediate deadlines. If you switch views, the filter will still apply, so feel free to use list, board, or calendar. Choose what helps you think clearly. After filtering, you'll see exactly what must be handled before the day ends without scrolling through future work. Now prioritize. In My Tasks, you'll see sections like Today, Upcoming, and Later. If any tasks due today aren't already in the Today section, drag them in. This is where you set your plan of attack. Arrange items in the order you intend to work on them, with the most critical at the top. Group similar tasks together to minimize context switching, and put any quick wins up front to build momentum. You're not adding or removing work, you're simply telling Asana and yourself what deserves attention right now. As you move through your day, keep things current by updating task statuses and adding comments. When you begin work, mark the task as in progress if your team uses that field, or simply keep it open. When you finish, mark it complete so your list stays clean. Use the comment box to leave brief updates, note blockers, or tag teammates who need to know where things stand. If something changes, a quick comment is faster than hunting through messages later. A midday check helps you reorder priorities if needed, and a short end of day pass ensures everything is either completed or clearly noted with next steps. That's the whole flow. Open My Tasks, filter for what's due today, move those items into the Today section in the right order, and keep statuses and comments up to date as you work. Use this routine daily, and you'll stay focused, responsive, and in control of your workload.